together with our candles and roses, everyone. Once again, pakpakan na to si Kim! So now let's start our 18 roses. DJ Jen, music please. Candles, treasures, shots, and everything ng mga rituals and traditions. So therefore, you're part of it. Okay? So karon guys, let's start right away. Diretso na tayo. To start one of our debut tradition, our 18 roses. Okay? So now to our gentlemen. Russell, and now, please start once again, Kuya, please. Huwag mo na natin iwan si Kim pag wala pa pong kapalay sa inyo. Okay. And now, let's go on. Consult with Jade Devotino. Ika, sumanggol na niya. Manggol, ayaw ka wala, Kuya. Okay, go. Wala, Alright, bro. And now we have Chuck Delito. Thank you so much, Kuya. Alright, now this time, Sir Chuck, isang ikot naman dyan para kay Kim, sir. Alright? Busy pa sila, sige. Let the... Always in my space, but I know someday I'll make it. Please come forward, Mr. Ken Panagiton.
Ini sa South Villa Private
Mr. Ken is here.
So muna yung itsura din dini sa iyang resorts dini sa itunan. So dindot kayo.
Alright, there you go. Thank you so much for that, sir.
So wala yung itsura, wala ko ini. Gusto mo mo sorry din ayaw din para malingaw mo sa inyong gusto nga.
Ayan, mami, nadira sa sulod. Please not kamay. But before you're going to line up that, mami, please do wishes sa or mag-wish ka daan para kay Kimberly and your prayers, please.
Ay, nilagay sa kanan.